Did you know bees can talk to each other by dancing? It's true. Bees use something called the waggle dance to share the exact location of flowers. When a bee finds food, it returns to the hive and performs a dance that tells the others how far away it is and in what direction to fly, using the angle of the dance and the intensity of the wiggles to point the bees to the perfect spot. Even the time of day affects how they communicate, adjusting their dance to match the position of the sun. This helps the entire hive find food efficiently.